Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're bringing another featured build. This is a 2016 Ram 2500 four-wheel drive, Cummins 6.7, pretty much one of the standard trucks that you see us build. And this is actually a very common setup that we ship probably about 25 or more of these setups per week. So this is the Carli Suspension 2.5-inch leveling kit. This is the Fox equipped system, so it's gonna come with 4 custom tuned Fox shocks, as well as Carli's soft ride coils. This customer also opted to go with the track bar upgrade, which is something we heavily recommend. For those of you who aren't familiar with what a track bar is, it holds your front axle side to side from your frame to your axle on the front of your truck. Very commonly, Dodge track bars wear out, and what happens is you start getting loose steering. So for all those guys out there that have loose front ends and have over 100,000 miles on your truck, the track bar is an excellent solution, as well as a preventative maintenance for guys, with newer trucks and things of that sort. So this customer did opt to go with that setup, as well as the CJC Edition Raceline 17-inch wheels. Now, as you can see from this video, these wheels are bronze. We also do offer them in a black color. Also, something to note, which is also noted on the project page, the factory caps do not fit on these. This is a legacy cap design from Raceline. It does not clear. However, as you can see, oftentimes with a little bit of spray paint, a quality paint, and a little bit of prep, this looks fairly OEM, and in my opinion, is the way to go over a gaudy center cap. This customer opted for the beefiest and also biggest 37 by 1350 currently on the market. That is the Toyo MT. If you put a tape measure to this tire, it actually measures 14 inches wide, so it's an absolute behemoth. And with that and this backspacing wheel that we typically use on a 37 1250 or a less aggressive 37 1350, this truck does just kiss the radius arms and sway bar at full lock. As well as if you look down the side of this truck and in some of these clips, you'll see that the tires are a little bit wider outside of the fender. That's because this is such a darn wide tire. Typically a 37 1250 or a 37 1350 will fully clear lock to lock and probably look just a hair more tucked in than this truck. So for those of you who live somewhere where mud flaps are a requirement, are trying to get around them, or worried about throwing stuff down the side of the truck, do not worry. This setup is going to be the perfect wheel for you, and these CJC Edition Racelines, as well as the Methods, are going to be the most tucked in aftermarket wheel, especially 17-inch wheel, that you can get for these trucks. So often we show you guys a full kill setup with literally every part we can pull off our shelves on the truck. This is going to be a more standard setup, and realistically something that we sell quite often. Sometimes living by the principle less is more, keep it simple, stupid. This truck fits that format and still looks killer. This is going to be a $1,570 package at the time of this filming. It is the Carli Suspension leveling kit with the track bar upgrade. These wheels are actually some of the most affordable wheels on the market currently as well. And it's just something very simple that when paired with a good tire, you can see the outcome. It's a beautiful truck. It's going to ride good with the custom tuned shocks and coils. It's still going to maintain its full rear capacity because we have not changed the springs. Yet we've put a new shock back there that again has been custom tuned to work with the factory springs, resulting in a little bit better ride even in the rear. So this truck's leveled, it rides better, it still handles well, and it looks good to boot. This particular customer actually came off of a standard coil spacer, which there's plenty of reasons to hate those on the newer Ram trucks. This customer is actually blown away by the ride improvement. Something so simple as 4 shocks and 2 coils dramatically changes the actual ride in this truck. So for someone not looking to do any heavy off-roading, but looking for a good ride, a leveling setup, and looking for parts that are gonna last long on his truck, this is the package for you. So yeah, if you have any questions about this setup, feel free to comment down below. We do try to respond to as many comments as possible. Sometimes we miss a few. Shoot us a call, shoot us an email. We're happy to help you guys out. Again, all the links to purchase these items will be down below. I don't think I can say it enough times. Such a simple yet beautiful and affordable setup. You can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.